at 21 and 10 at 22. You can't walk a mile up in my shoe, I ain't nothing like you. You can't walk a mile up in my shoe, you don't do what I do. I'm the living truth, the living proof. You could be whatever, never wanted fame.
Yo, what's up guys? So in today's video we're gonna be mobbing around Long Beach. No LA this vid, but we're still gonna mob around. Still gonna be a banger YouTube vid. So right now I'm gonna go to this nice view, and then we're gonna go meet up with my friend because that's on the way. So let's go. And then we're probably gonna ride around, practice a little bit. No one else is really riding because mostly everyone went to LA. I had to do something, so I couldn't make it, but it's all good. I also got some Meta glasses, but I can't really use them for YouTube videos since they don't go into a 16:19 aspect ratio, but they're still super good. But I've been filming for like Instagram and TikTok. That's what I can film because the aspect ratio is more for that. And I can't change it, but the DJI is better quality. We got a fender now, let's go. Finally. The handbrake does kind of need a bleed. So I'm gonna do that probably tomorrow. So there might not be a lot of scrapes this vid. Bro, the power on this bike is crazy, like look at this. This is the highest mode. Bro, it's so crazy. Bro, the 2025 motor is so good. I've been mobbing and I'm still at 90 degrees. My old 2023 motor would have been at like 120 right now, probably more. So the reason why I think it needs a bleed is because I already have new pads on. It still feels weird. And then I cleaned both pistons. I lubed them with .4. I lubed the little pins that let the caliper move around. And I cleaned the pads and rotor. And it's still like not grabbing good. So like at scrape point, it kind of feels like I'm a loop. So I'm gonna bleed it tomorrow. Look how nice this view is. You already know we're gonna get some clips. go. Look how nice this is. I bet. So my friend's at the meetup spot, running a little bit late, but who cares? It's just him. I got some good clips. Gonna post those later. So I've been trying to get a CNC front brake mount made because I designed it and everything. So I've been trying to get that made, but they haven't been accepting it. And they want to charge, I think it's going to be like $70. Bro, that's so much. That's so much for the little, $70 is so much for a little part like this. Oh. I can feel my brake losing grip. So I'm gonna mob over to the meetup spot. Let's speed that up. Okay. Yo, what's up, guys? We're met up with my friend. We're heading to our other friend's house. We're gonna help him with something. We're gonna ride. So, let's go.
At 21 and 10 at 22. You can't walk a mile up in my shoe. I ain't nothing like